Assalamualaikum and hi. So for chapter 2, I'll be explaining about enterprise social networking that helps Sanofi Pasteur innovate and improve quality. So Sanofi Pasteur faced challenge due to its hierarchical structure, a large globally dispersed workforce, and a lack of collaboration and idea sharing. To address this issue, the company implemented a knowledge sharing strategy, redesigned collaboration processes, and worked to change its organizational culture. A key component of this transformation was the adoption of Microsoft YAML, an enterprise social networking tool that facilitates better communication, innovation, and knowledge exchange across the organization. This effort helped Sanofi Pasteur improve quality and drive innovation. So a key component of this transformation was the implementation of Microsoft YAML, an enterprise social networking tool that enables employees to engage more effectively, gather insight, and share knowledge. This case highlights how outdated process can hinder innovation and knowledge sharing, emphasizing the importance of modern information system in improving organizational performance and maintaining a competitive edge. So for the business process, it was a structured workflows involving the flow of materials, information and knowledge. They consist of logically related tasks that define how specific business activities are carried out. This process can either be tied to a particular functional area such as HR, finance, or operation, or span multiple functions across an organization. Businesses can be viewed as collection of interconnected business processes. The efficiencies and effectiveness of this process determine whether they serve as valuable assets that drive productivity and innovation or as liabilities that hinder performance and growth. Organizations must continuously optimize their process to maintain a competitive advantage. So this is several example of functional business processes that span various areas of an organization. Yeah, the first one is manufacturing and production. It involves tasks such as some assembling the product. Second one is sales and marketing. It involves activities including identifying customers. The third one is finance and accounting. It's involved a process like creating financial statement. The last one is human resource. It functions such as to hiring employees. Each of these processes plays a crucial role in the overall operation of a business, highlighting how specific tasks within each department contribute to the company's efficiencies and effectiveness. So, the diagram outline the order fulfillment process, which involves multiple departments working together to complete a customer order. It highlights the cross-functional nature of business processes. Key step in the process is first sales department. This department is first to generate order. A new customer order is created, and then the sales department must submit order, so the order is sent for processing. The second step is accounting department. Accounting department must check credit, so, for customer credit is verified, and then the second step is, and then the accounting department will approve credit. If the credit check is successful, approval is given. So the last one is accounting department must generate invoice. So an invoice is created for the order, and the last step is manufacturing and production. So the first step is assemble product. The product is put together or prepare, and then the second step is ship the product. The product is dispatched to the customer. This process demonstrates how different departments must coordinate and exchange information efficiently to ensure smooth order fulfillment and customer satisfaction.
Good day, my name is Tanisha and my metric number is CP220084. So today I'm going to talk about systems for different management groups. So system for different management groups refer to various types of information systems designed to cater to the specific needs and responsibilities of different management levels within an organization. There are 5 types of systems for different management groups. The first one is transaction processing system. Second one is systems for business intelligence. Third one is management information systems. Fourth one is decision support systems. And the fifth one, executive support systems. Organizations typically have a hierarchical structure with the different management levels, each with distinct roles and responsibilities. Information systems are designed to provide relevant data and insights to each level, enabling them to perform their duties effectively. So there are 5 types of systems for different management groups. The first one, transaction processing systems. Second one, systems for business intelligence. Third one, management information systems. Fourth one, decision support systems. And the fifth one, executive support systems. So, transaction processing systems, the first one, are the backbone of any organization's daily operations. They serve operational managers and staff by performing and recording the routine transactions essential for conducting business. These systems handle tasks like sales order entry, payroll processing, and shipping, ensuring that every transaction is accurately captured and recorded. This allows managers to monitor the status of ongoing operations and their relationships with the external environment, providing valuable insights into real-time performance. TPS are designed to serve predefined, structured goals and decision-making process, ensuring consistency and efficiency in daily operations. They provide the foundation for more advanced information systems like management information system and decision support systems, which analyze and interpret the data collected by TPS to support higher-level decision-making. So, the second one, business intelligence systems. So, business intelligence systems are powerful tools that empower managers and users to make more informed and effective decisions. These systems consist of data and software tools designed to organize and analyze vast amounts of data, uncovering hidden patterns and trends. By transforming raw data into meaningful insights, business intelligence systems allow users to gain a deeper understanding of their operations, customer behavior, market trends, and competitive landscape. This knowledge, presented through interactive dashboards, reports, and visualizations, help managers identify opportunities for growth, optimize resource allocation, predict future outcomes, and ultimately improve decision-making across all levels of organizations. Moving on to the third one, management information systems, MIS, are designed to support middle management by providing them with a clear picture of the company's current performance. These systems rely on data collected from transaction processing system, TPS, which track daily operations to generate reports that summarize key performance indicators. MIS are particularly adept at answering routine questions, often using predefined procedures to ensure consistent and reliable information. However, they typically have limited analytical capabilities, meaning they are not designed for complex what-if scenarios or in-depth data exploration. Instead, they focus on presenting structured information in a readily digestible format, helping middle managers monitor progress, identify trends, and make informed decisions within the framework of established goals and procedures. Moving on to the fourth one, decision support systems, DSS, are also powerful tools that empower middle management to tackle non-routine decision-making challenges. Unlike MIS, which focus on structured reporting, DSS are designed to help managers explore complex scenarios and analyze what-if situations. For an example, DSS could be used to assess the impact on the production schedule if December sales were double, a question that requires more than just a simple report. DSS often leverage data from TPS and MIS, but they can also incorporate external information such as market trends or competitor data to provide a more comprehensive view. There are 2 main types of DSS. Model-driven DSS, like voyage estimating systems, rely on mathematical models to simulate different scenarios and predict outcomes. And data-driven DSS, like intra-west marketing analysis systems, use analytical analysis and data mining techniques to identify patterns and trends within large data sets. By providing managers with the tools to analyze complex situations and explore various options, DSS enable them to make more informed and strategic decisions, ultimately contributing to the organization's success. Moving on to the last one, Executive Support Systems, ESS, also known as Executive Information Systems, EIS, are designed to empower senior management in making strategic, non-routine decisions. These decisions are often require judgment, evaluation, and insightful analysis as they lack predefined procedures or solutions. ESS go beyond simply reporting on current performance. They incorporate data from both internal and external sources. This includes summarized information from MIS and DSS, but also incorporate data about external events that could impact the organizations, such as new tax laws or competitor actions. ESS often present this information in a user-friendly format, like a digital dashboard, which provides a real-time view of the firm's financial performance and other key metrics. By offering comprehensive overview of the business landscape, ESS equips senior executives with the information they need to make informed decisions that drive strategic growth and long-term success.
Enterprise application system for linking the enterprise, span functional area, execute business process across the firm, include all level of management. Four major application. First is enterprise system. Second, supply chain management, SCM. Third, customer relationship management, CRM. And the last one is knowledge management system, KMS. Enterprise applications are large-scale software systems that help business integrate and manage their core process. These systems are essential because they allow different departments to share data and work efficiently. There are four key types: enterprise systems, SCM, CRM, and KMS, is serving a specific purpose within a company. Enterprise system, ERP system, also called enterprise resource planning, ERP, integrate data from a key business process into a single system, speed communication of information throughout the firm, enable flexibility in responding to customer requests, and order accuracy, provided managers with a comprehensive view of operation. Enterprise system, also known as ERP system, integrate all business functions into a single system. This means department like finance, HR, and sales can share real-time information, reducing delays and errors. By improving communication and flexibility, business can quietly adapt to customer needs and make a better strategy decision. Supply chain management. Manage relationship with suppliers, distributors, and logistic company. Share information about orders, production, and inventory. Goals: move the right amount of product at the lowest cost. Automate the flow of information across organization. SCM system help company manage the entire supply chain efficiently by sharing real-time data with suppliers and logistic partners. Business can reduce costs, avoid stock shortage, and ensure product reach customer faster. The key benefit is automation, which minimize delays and errors in supply chain operation. Customer relationship management, CRM, helps manage relationship with customer. Coordinate sales, marketing, and customer service. Goals: optimize revenue, improve customer satisfaction, increase customer retention, identify and retain profitable customer, increase sales. CRM system focus on improving customer relationship. They helps company track customer interaction, personalized marketing, and enhance customer support. The main goal is to increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, which is ultimate drive more sales and business growth. Knowledge management system, KMS, manage processes for capturing and applying knowledge, collects and store relevant knowledge, make information available to improve decision making, connect business to external knowledge sources. KMS help business manage and utilize knowledge effectively. Employees can store and access important information, ensuring that valuable insights are not lost when someone leaves the company. By organizing knowledge improperly, business can improve efficiency, innovation, and decision making.
Enterprise application transform business operation by integrating key data into a single system. Though they can be costly and complex. Intranet and extranet also help streamline information flow within the company and with external partners. An intranet is a private company network that functions like a website but is accessible only to employees. It uses the same technology as the internet to facilitate internet communication and collaboration. On the other hand, extranet is a company website that limit access to authorized vendor and suppliers. This will help businesses coordinate supply chain operation and other external interaction. The system and technology just described are transforming firms' relationship with customer, employee, supplier, and logistic partner into digital relationship using network and the internet. For the e-business, refer to use of digital technology and internet to drive major business processes. E-business involve managing internal operation and coordinating with supplier and partner. For the e-commerce, is the part of e-business that deals with the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It also includes activities supporting those market transactions such as advertising, marketing, customer support, security, delivery, and payment. For the e-government, government on all levels are use internet technology to deliver information and services to citizens, employees, and also businesses. E-government use the internet and network to connect government agencies with citizen businesses and other government bodies. For example, citizens in some states can renew their driving lesson online. What is collaboration? Collaboration is working with others to achieve shared and specific goals. Focuses on tasks or mission accomplishment and usually takes place in a business or other organization and between businesses. Collaboration can be short-lived, lasting a few minutes, and longer terms, depending on the nature of the task and the relationship among participants. Collaboration can be one-to-one or many-to-many. They have 6 growing importance of collaboration. The first one is changing nature of work. Work has shifted from siloed factory manufacturing and pre-computer office tasks where each step was separate and managed by supervisor and more integrated processes. The second one is growth of professional work. Interaction jobs are professional service role requiring teamwork, expertise, and information sharing to complete tasks effectively. The third one is changing organization of the firms. In the past, work have structured hierarchically with other flowing down and responses growing up. Today, teams work independently, developing their own method while senior manager observe and measure results as decision making is more distributed. The fourth one is changing scope of the firms. The work of the firm has changed from a single location to multiple location, offices or factories throughout a regions and natures, a nations or even around the globe. The fifth one is emphasis on innovation. Innovation is a team effort, not just the work of individuals. For example, leaders like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs built strong teams to drive innovation. The collaboration in labs, businesses, or government agency play a key role in creating the new idea and improving innovation. Last but not least, the changing culture of work and business. Most research on collaboration show that diverse teams produce better output faster than individuals working on their own.
What is social business? Many firms today enhance collaboration by embracing social business. The use of social networking platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, internal corporate social tools, to engage their employees, customers, and suppliers. A keyword in social business is conversations. Customers, suppliers, employees, manager, and even oversight agencies continually have conversations about the firms, often without knowledge of the firms or its key actors. Based on the table below is the application of social business. Social network connect through personal and business profiles. Crowdsourcing gather collective knowledge for innovations. Share workplaces, coordinate projects and co-create content. Blogs and wikis, share and discuss knowledge quickly. Social commercial, share and discuss product purchase. File sharing, upload and comment on the media files. Social marketing, use social media to engage customer. Communities, open discussions and knowledge sharing. Okay, now let's look at the direct benefits of collaborations and social business. Productivity. Collaboration speed up problem solving and reduce errors. Quality. Team working together can detect and fix issues faster. Innovations. Collaboration foster creativity, leading to better ideas and solutions. Customer service. Teams can resolve customer issues more effectively. Financial performance. Business that collaborate well tend to have better sales, growth, and profitable. These are the benefits highlight why business must have invest in collaborative tools and strategies. So now we proceed to the building a collaborative culture and business processes. Traditional command and control firms versus collaborative business culture. In the past, many businesses operate under a command and control structure. Decisions were made at the top, and the employees were expected to follow orders with the minimal interactions. This creates rigid structures, limited teamwork, and discourage innovations. However, businesses today are shifting towards a collaborative culture. Here, teamwork and communication across all levels are encouraged. Employees are actively involved in decision making, and their performance is assessed not just individually but also as a part of a team. Middle manager now focus on building, coordinating, and monitoring team effort rather than just passing down instructions. To enable collaboration effectively, business need the right tools and technologies. So these are the tools that included. Firstly will be email and instant messaging for quick real-time communications. Secondly, collaboration and social business platform. Tools like Microsoft SharePoint, Google Drive, and Salesforce Chatter that facilitated teamwork. Third, visual meeting system. Video conferencing solutions like Zoom and WebEx reduce travel costs and enhance remote collaborations. Next, wikis for knowledge sharing and corporate information management. Visual boards, platform like Second Life for meeting and training. Last but not least will be cloud collaboration service such as Google Docs, Microsoft 365, and other platforms that allow real-time document editing and sharing.
Profiles. Employees can share profiles to showcase their skills, project, and experience to making easier to connect with the right people in the company. The second is content sharing. Content sharing is to allow teams to store, manage, and share the important documents, presentation, or image or video in one place. The third is feeds and notification. To stay updated with real-time announcement, status update, and alert from college and managers. Fourth is a group and workspace. To create private or public groups to share the information, to collaborate on projects, and save the important discussion for future reference. Five is tagging and social bookmarking. Socials and bookmarking is about similar like a like button or hashtag to help their employees to mark and find the important content quickly. The sixth is permission and privacy to ensure that the sensitive company data is only accessible to the right people in the company to keep the business information securely. This matrix helps us to understand how people collaborate using technology based on two factors. First, same time, same place. This means people are working together in the same location at the same time. Example, face-to-face meeting, brainstorming session, and using shared digital display. The second one is same time but different place. People collaborate in real time but from different location. Example is a video call, instant messaging, share online document where multiple users can edit together. The third is different time, same place. That means is work is done in the same location but not at the same time. Example, the team's rooms, shift work coordination, or uh, project management boards. The fourth is a different time and different place. Work work happen at different times and from different location. Example like email, blogs, wikis, online calendar, and version control system. Next is how to choose the right software, correct collaboration software for your firm at the price you can afford and within your risk tolerance. First, identify company needs. What challenges does your team face, like time zone, remote work, communication issue? Second, research available tools. Compare software that fits your needs. Third is compare costs and benefits. Include training and support costs. Fourth is check security risk. It is safe to store company data or external platform. Five is test usability. Get the feedback from employees on ease of use. And last one is finalists and evaluate. Do the shortlist for the best tools and test them before them full implementations. The Information System Department. The Information Department is responsible for handling a company's technology, such as computer, software, network, and data. It makes sure to everything runs smoothly for the business to make the functions properly. Who works in the information system department, such as programmers, system analysis, and information system managers. Programmers to write software and applications. System analysis do help business improve their information technology system. And for the information system managers, lead information technology teams and oversee technology projects. For the key IT leaders in the company, we have a Chief Information Officer or CIO, CSO, Chief Security Officer, Chief Privacy Officer, Chief Knowledge Officer, and the last one, Chief Data Officers. CIO leads the company IT strategy. Chief Security Officer protect the company data and system. Chief Privacy Officer to ensure the data privacy law are followed. Chief Knowledge Officer is a manager company knowledge and learning. And the last one is Chief Data Officer is a handle the company data and do analysis. Information system management is very important. It is because for the first one is technology is growing fast and business rely on more to the information technologies. The second one is information technology jobs are in high demand and offer for the good salaries. And the third one because In cybersecurity, data management, and cloud computing are the keys with the great career opportunity. The information system department keep the business running by managing technology. The information technology careers are growing fast and learning IT skills can open many opportunities. How is the information system function organized in a business? We have a different business organized their IT department in the different ways. We have two. We have two difference. For the first one is a small business that not have a dedicated IT teams. Instead of one person manage the technology or they hire outside consultant. The second is large companies. Large companies have a separate information system department, which is structured based on the company needs and goals. What is IT governance? Information technology governance is include the strategy and policy for using information technology within an organization. IT governance is about how company manage its technology and to support the business goals. It involves the several key decisions, which is the first, should IT decision be made centrally or by different departments? The second is how do we make sure the IT investment bring the good result? The third is who makes IT related decision and how do we track them? Why is governance is important? Companies with among IT governance make better decisions about technologies and use IT efficiency and get the better business result. As a dispatcher for Trans-Europe Transport, my job is to plan the best route for shipping painting from the museum and the Stroom in Antwerp to the Royal Museum of Fine Arts in the Brussels. Using Google Maps travels, I can compare routes based on distance, travel time, and fuel cost. The shortest route save fuel, while the faster routes ensure time delivery, though it may cost more. Google Maps also help estimate fuel expenses for better budgeting. For time-sensitive shipments like artwork, choosing the fastest and most reliable routes ensures safe and efficient transportation. Technology like this help business save time, reduce costs, and improve operations.